CTSV supercharging in traffic. I put the kid on the caddy. Can't put that shit on this all take it. Back in the day I was swaggin'. Ballin' for years I'm like John Madden. Cash I couldn't even imagine. Bid in the building we contracted. Adding and never subtracting. Yeah, platinum since the beginning. They love when you lose and they hate when you winning. It's personal, never by business. I beat you a fake cause I'm authentic. I'm kicking you out like the tenant. They can't let you in, got a barge in it. Counting it fast like we print it. Niggas save all pennies. We can handle all business.
How to mount a cloud ceiling like mine. Take the LED stripes out of the package. Attach these to your ceiling. This is how it should look. Do not glue straight, insert jags. Shape the wall into a cloud. Now we need the spray adhesive. Spray some spray adhesive on the wall. Stick it to the ceiling. This is the finished result.